In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on eToro. If you want the platform to show values in a different currency for easier viewing, this is a simple setting you can adjust in just a moment. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, sign into your eToro account. Make sure you're fully logged in and on the main platform dashboard before moving to the next part. If the page is still loading, give it a few seconds so all menu options appear properly. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Settings. This is where eToro keeps your account preferences and platform customization options. If you've never opened this area before, don't worry. The layout is usually very straightforward. Inside Settings, go to the Display section. This area controls how certain information appears on your screen, including your visual preferences and display-related account options. Since currency display affects how values are shown across the platform, this is the section you'll need. Now, find the option labeled Display Currency. This is the setting that determines which currency is used for viewing balances, values, or other financial figures across your account interface. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct field, especially if there are several display options listed. Next, click on the currency that is currently shown. This will open the currency menu and allow you to see the available choices. Depending on your account and platform version, the list may include multiple currencies. From that menu, select the currency you want to display. For example, if you want your account values to appear in euro, you can choose euro, shown with the symbol euros. Pick whichever option best matches your preference or helps you read your account information more comfortably. After selecting it, review the change carefully. Check that the newly chosen currency is now displayed in the setting. This is a good moment to confirm everything updated correctly before you finish. If it doesn't appear right away, wait a second or click back into the menu to verify your selection. Finally, save or apply the setting so the new display currency is stored. This ensures the change takes effect across your account interface going forward. And that's it. You've successfully changed the display currency on eToro. Keep in mind that this adjusts how information is displayed, so it helps make the platform easier to use based on your preference. Thanks for watching.